Hey guys, I'm Shawn Allan, your Houston area Acura guy. If you're looking for an Acura in Houston, hit me up. My contact info is in the description. This is going to be a really cool video. We are going on a test drive together in the 2020 MDX Advanced Package. Check out my other videos if you want to know everything that's offered in the MDX. Otherwise, we are going to get into it right now. Alright guys, I live in Texas. It is 100 degrees outside, so the first thing I'm going to do is hit my remote start. So it's all nice and cool out there. The car is somewhere out there. It's going to be going for 10 minutes before I go out there to check on it. Hopefully it's not hot anymore. Alright guys, I got my MDX right here. You can hear the remote start is still going, getting it all nice and cooled off for me. So a really great thing about this car is it does have the keyless entry. It unlocks just because I walked over to it. I'm going to put my foot on the brake here and then press the power button to get it turned on. So you can see someone had the seat memory saved for me, so I'm going to go ahead and get everything adjusted. Get all my mirrors adjusted. Of course, it's got power mirrors. Always important to be safe. Like it a little bit down. Get that all nice and good. Alright. So, first things first. Guys, I live in Texas. I always want to make sure my ventilated seats are on. So let's take in this beautiful advanced interior. Wood grain everywhere. Very comfy perforated seats. Let's check it out. It's kind of a tight spot here. It's not super bad, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my camera button, get that 360 degree camera going. I got my front camera on. I'm going to know exactly how much space I got when I'm trying to pull out. So press the D, put it in drive. Let's see how that looks. So it looks like I'm not going to have enough space. Check out my sweet turning skills. There's my forward parking assist sensors. I'm going to put it in reverse right here. Now I got my backup camera, 360 cam. Just going to go back out a little bit. That way I have a little bit more space. Of course, it's always good to check your mirrors. Check in front of you. Going back into drive. Now we definitely got enough room to get out. Do you see how cool that 360 degree camera is? So you can switch it up. You can leave this camera on while you are driving. You can change it to the navigation. You can put other things on. I'm going to go back to the navigation because I like to know where I'm at. Well, I'm just about to leave the dealership here and get on the road. I'm going to make sure I got my Acura watch on so you can see I have my lane keeping assist is now activated. I'm going to hit the button down here. That way I'll have my nice visual feedback. Let me know if I'm locked onto the road. Here we go. Nice and safe to get on. So this car's got a big 3.5 engine. It picks up really, really quickly. Let's step on the gas a little bit and see how it feels. I don't want to get a ticket, so I'm going to slow down. But I mean, you could see, you could hear that engine pumping. It's a big V6 engine. It is nice. Now, if you've checked out my other videos, you know that the advanced package has an active dampening system in the suspension. This is a very, very smooth ride. It is so nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go make a U-turn up here, head outbound. That way there's a little bit less traffic, and I'm going to get on I-10 and really show you how this car feels and how this car sounds. There's my little navigation there. See, the lines are all lit up white. That means I am locked onto the road for the Acura watch. Again, you have to be going 45 miles an hour or more so that it detects the lane markers. Alright guys, I'm just about to enter I-10. I got my blind spot monitor right there letting me know it's all nice and safe to get over. See a couple of cars ahead of me. Alright guys, I'm getting on I-10 here. Gives me a little bit better speed limit. That way you can really test it out and you can see exactly how this is going. Again, nobody in my blind spot there. Lights not on. We're all safe to get on. A little shot of the interior. little experience of driving the car. Man, this car is super smooth. It is so quiet on the interior here. Let me show you how quiet that is. Driving this car is an experience. If you're familiar with the Honda lineup, I mean, they got some great cars, but once you move over into the MDX, the Acura line, I mean, it's just different. You're still getting that safety, you're still getting that reliability, but let me tell you, you know, I used to work at Honda. I loved them. I would never go back. Man, this car's got so much pickup. I'm going to put it into sport mode now. Sport mode going on here, it just makes the car a little bit more reactive, a little bit, you know, finer steering, feels a little bit better in the hands. You really do feel it. It's gonna, you know, with that IV Tech engine, it usually switches back and forth between power, between, you know, gas savings. It's gonna default to more of a power drive to the car. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful so far, please give me a thumbs up. Check out my other videos too and give them a thumbs up as well. Test on, let's see if I can make it test it out for me. Oh, it's kind of hard to feel it, kind of hard for you to notice it, but it definitely just pulled me back into the lane there. Let's try it again. See, it just pulled me right back into the lane. Really, really cool technology. I know you guys never do it, but if you happen to check your phone because someone sends you a text message, I know you don't do it. You're not supposed to do it. You don't, but it'll pull you back into the lane in case you start to veer out of it. Here, blind spot monitor not lit up. I'm all good. Let's get over one more time. Again, blind spot monitor is telling me I am all fine and safe to get over. Blind spot monitor real quick. See the light go on there? That was your blind spot monitor. Pick up some speed. You can hear that engine explodes when I press down on the gas. It is so fast, it's so quick, and it is an exciting, exciting ride. This is the ultimate SUV. There's a reason why it sells better than anyone else. I mean, this was a very, very great ride. We're heading back up to the dealership here in just a minute. I mean, it is so smooth. It's packed with a ton of technology. It's a great car. When you want to open it up too, it's really, really nice to really hit that power, hit that road. It's, you know, you can't go wrong with the MDX. I am pulling back into John Eagle Acura right now. Gonna go find a parking space for this guy. It is, you know, such a nice ride. You really have to experience it in person. If you are thinking about getting an MDX, get out here, try the car out. It's gonna be so smooth, so safe. You are gonna feel great choosing this car. Let's see if I can find anywhere to park it. All right, everybody, I found a nice little parking spot there. First thing I'm going to do is hit my 360 camera. I always want to know how much space I got. Again, you can cycle through a few different options here. That's the front view with the 360 cam. I can select I just want the front view. I also can select if I want a side mirror view. If I press and hold it, I'll get a dual side mirror view. Let's go back to 360 though. Show you what that looks like when I'm parking. Go. See right on there exactly how much space I got. Let me get zoomed in there so you can really see. Oh yeah. So I got my parking sensor on. Now I'm a little close on the left side. I'm gonna back out, just fix it a little bit. You guys don't need to see that though. Cross traffic monitor saying it's all clear behind me. Let's check it out. Knew exactly how much space I had. See, it beeped at me before I could hit that. That's how I knew to stop. We're all set. There you have it, everybody. That's a little quick test drive of the 2020 MDX Advanced. I'm Shawn Allan, your Houston Acura guy. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them for me. Make sure you like this video if you found it pretty useful. My contact info is in the description if you're looking for a car in the Houston area. Check out some of my other videos. You'll go and get all the different information about which each trim level has. Make sure you pick the right car for you.